Hi guys, good morning. Kumusta po kayong lahat? It's me, Dugong Pinoy, sa mga may dugong Pinoy dyan. O nag-aantay na ba kayo sa ating bagong video na naman na i-react? So for today's video mga idol, ating mga lodi natin dyan ay isa ito sa mga very popular, no? Na talagang kanta. Ibig sabihin po mga idol, from Lady Gaga, Always Remember Us This Way. So battle po ito mga idol by sino? JJ Delana versus Ayla Santos. So panoorin natin mga idol kung sino ba talaga ang pinakamagaling, malupit at mayroong tinatawag na masarap talagang pakinggan sa tenga na kumbaga ay hindi masakit. Well mga idol, isa na po itong dalawang ito ay malulupit talaga ito. So tulungan nyo ako at samahan nyo po ako kung sino ba talaga sa kanilang dalawa ang mga napakasarap pakinggan o ma-inlove ba tayo dito. Let's go mga idol! Ito na po ang video mga idol.
Arizona sky, burning in your eyes. Look at me, babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul, the California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up, but I can't find the words.
Lupit!
Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts.
Kakailab ang boses.
Sun goes down and the band won't play. I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, poets try to write. We don't know how to rhyme, but damn, we try.
Oh yeah!
You where I wanna go. The part of me that you will never die. So when I'm all choked up, but I can't find the words. And every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts.
Ang sarap pakinggan. Grabe! JJ Delana, Ayla Santos.
Your love could be, babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's burning in my soul,
Galing.
like California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find.
effortless.
When the sun goes down and a band won't play, I'd always remember us this way. Lovers in the
Ang galing.
always right or right. We don't know how to rhyme, but damn we try. But all I really know, you're where I wanna go. The part
Kulot-kulot pa.
of me that's you will never die. So when I'm all choked up but I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and a band won't play, I'd always remember us this way. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be just a memory, baby. So when I'm all choked up but I can't find my words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and a band won't play, I'd always remember us this way. Why? When you look at me and a whole world fades, I'd always remember us this way. Thank you.
Grabe naman yung mga halimaw na yun. Guys, napanood nyo naman at napakinggan. Para sa akin po mga idol, ang aking komento at ang aking opinion dito at sa aking reaction, pareho pong dalawang halimaw. No? Medyo may pagka-sweet itong si JJ Delana, ang kanyang version. No? Ang talagang ang sarap pakinggan, na talagang mai-inlove ka sa kanyang estilo, na medyo mahinahon, malambing, no? At dito naman kay Ayla Santos, medyo may pagkulot-kulot na masarap din, malinaw. Kumbaga talagang napaka-clear po ang kanyang mga diction. So both po talaga sila mga idol, talaga na pang malulupit, no? Na ano ko to sa nakita ko sa isang mga video na talaga namang silang dalawa talaga ang laging naglalaban, no? So para sa kanila mga idol, si Gigi ay medyo may pagkalambing. Ito naman si Ayla Santos ay medyo aggressive siya, na ang sarap din pakinggan. Clear na clear ang kanyang boses. Pero silang dalawa mga idol, para sa akin, napakalupit. Para sa akin, perfect po sila yung dalawa. No? May malambing na mayroon ding napaka-aggressive pero kinukulot. Alam mo yung mga kulot-kulot mga idol, napakasarap pakinggan eh. Kayo mga idol, ano masasabi nyo sa ating video nito? Please pa-comments down below lang po mga idol.